It was a sunny afternoon in the quiet neighborhood of Oakwood, a place where nothing much extraordinary ever seemed to happen. Yet, on this particular day, the peaceful lanes were buzzing with murmurs of something quite unusual: Carla Maplewood's colossal yawns. Carla, a sweet and cuddly girl with a curiosity as wide as her yawns, was famous for her seemingly infectious yawning fits. Her wide-open mouth display would ripple through her family and friends, leaving everyone with stretching jaws and curious chuckles. Carla's little sister, baby Cree, had astonishingly inherited this remarkable trait. Baby Cree was something of a prodigy yawn artist, capable of performing no less than a sextuple yawn. People gawked whenever baby Cree yawned 6 times in succession, leaving both those around her in awe and tickled with laughter. The Maplewood sisters were lounging lazily on a bright blue blanket in their backyard, basking under the warm sun, their giggles and yawns breaking the midday silence. They were soon joined by their good friend, March Beverly, a spirited and bubbly 7-year-old with a mane of golden curls and eyes that twinkled with mischief. March was a dedicated member of the Yawn Club, a group devoted to the fascinating art and mystery of yawning. "Carla, do another one," March urged eagerly, her eyes wide with anticipation. Carla grinned, feeling a yawn bubbling up inside her. She stretched, one arm reaching for the sky, and let out a yawn so big it seemed to echo off the clouds. Just then, Miss Buckingham arrived, her curiosity leading her to her students. Miss Buckingham was their teacher, a wonderfully curious soul with kind eyes behind large, round spectacles. She had heard about the yawning phenomenon and was determined to unravel its mysteries. "Why do you think yawning is contagious?" Miss Buckingham asked, her voice filled with enthusiasm.